welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title, also if you can't hear me, I'm sorry, but yeah, as you can tell by the title, we are going to go pick up our little puppy, so little pupster. Yeah, so we're like, how long do we have? 1 second, I'll check. Bye. We have still like a while to go. We're driving a while and stuff for this little puppy, so yeah, but sorry if you can't hear me though, but yeah, just 1 second, sorry for my face. Okay, so basically we're like 6.5 hours away and stuff, so we got a while to go, but we aren't officially, I don't think, getting the puppy until like tomorrow, so yeah. Also, don't mind my face, please. I'll clean that in a second. But I just wanted to do the intro really quick. But yeah, so I think what we're doing is we're sleeping. Like, we're going to a hotel and staying a night, and then in the morning at like 11 or something. I don't know, just sometime in the morning. I think we're gonna get the puppy, and then we're gonna probably like stop at like this pool or something on the way back. So yeah, but that's the plan. Okay, so we have like 4.5 hours I think now. So but yeah. Anyways, I guess that's a little update. I don't know. Okay, so I wanna show you what we will. So this is like a little thing. It's for food and water for the dog. So water is food's probably here because I think that the dog would need more water. So yeah, this is what we just brought because it's a long drive, guys. So yeah, but anyways, I'll probably update you guys like when we're maybe like 2 hours away, maybe. But yeah. Okay, we have like 2.5 hours now to go. So yeah, I can show you. But yeah, we don't have that much to go. I'm trying to draw on it's something. But yeah, we have like 2.5 hours, and then like we'll figure out. I don't know what we're doing. Yeah, I guess we're just waiting now. And yeah. Okay, guys. So we arrived, and then we got into the hotel and everything like that, and then we went and had dinner, and now we're just chilling. I worked on a bit of stuff. A bit of like, yeah, I worked on a little bit of stuff, but like a little bit just to finish like this one kind of like a mix of like 2 questions, but yeah, but we're supposed to get it in the morning, so yeah. Hey guys, so sorry for like the background noise, but now we're just kind of waiting, and I think we're gonna go swimming like in the hotel, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you my outfit, but I kind of forgot my shoes like that I wanted to match with this outfit in the car, so I'll just put them on later. This is the shirt. It just kind of goes like down, and it's a crop and everything. Then I have these kind of like cargos with this black belt. So matches like kind of like the fit. The only shoes that I have are the only shoes I have are like these ones, and they're kind of not that. They're kind of worn out, but it's okay. Yeah. But I think I'll film maybe after the pool, but we still gotta wait a bit for the pool to open. So yeah, but also we're gonna fill this thing up with like food and water for the dog and everything, so like it's just there, especially the water part. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start filming when like the dog's here and we're like getting out to go see the dog or something. But I think right now we're just gonna get ready to go swimming. Okay guys, look who we have. It's like, I think we're gonna name her Bella. But look at her little tail wagging. Anyways, like see, she's so cute. She's so excited. But there's her thing, so she's gonna be able to see me and everything. But look at her tail. We're like matching. We're matching, aren't we? Oh my goodness. Okay guys, we're gonna, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're on the road. She's sleepy. Oh, she was. But yeah, she's just laying there. And I think at like 12 or 1, I'll take her out to try and go to the bathroom or something. Also, like when we started driving, she kind of threw up, but then she's just laying there. We had to switch the blankets out. That's her old one, and then we just grabbed one that we could find and put it in there. It's like soft and stuff, so hopefully like that's fine. But I'll like she's just sleeping. I mean, why not? It's a long drive. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, I guess we're driving, and I guess I'll film when I'm taking her out. Okay, so right now they're going to go get food while I stay in here with the puppy. I tried to see if she needed to go to the bathroom, and I don't think she does. We put the little pee thing and stuff there. I should probably put her back on it though. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now and stuff. So this is like our food and her potty break. So yeah. Isn't it? Isn't it? She's so cute. She like wants the camera on her. Like she looks up at the camera. But anyways, yeah. Okay, so basically there's like an hour and 32 minutes left. Threw up like 2 times. She's been mostly napping. I did play with her a little bit, but she was pretty tired. She went to the bathroom though. Not outside. Like she can't be on the ground outside. Yeah. But yeah. We have this like little mat. We can wash it at home and stuff, but yeah, right now she's probably sleeping. Yeah. We picked out a name for her and everything. Anyways, yeah. Okay, don't mind the crying, but I'm gonna do a little haul of what she got us. She's just in the playpen, and we're not playing with her or anything inside of it. So obviously we gotta like play with her inside. Okay, so basically what we got, she got. So in this bag were this like tea pad, toilet paper, and some Huggy wipes. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it closer. But yeah, we got that, and then we got some of her food. So this is her food, and then she gave us it kind of like mixed up. Like this is like her 3 meals we already gave her, and then. This is NutriPal. I forgot what it was for. It like fills them up or something. This is just a thing full of watermelon. She likes watermelon. And then we have poop bags from them. They're pink. A lick mat. A brush. This cute little harness. We got this toy. These toys, they squeak, they're loud. We got this, but I'm trying not to put all her toys in there just because, yeah. And then we got this one. She likes this one, so I'll probably put this one in there. And we have this one. Then there's this in there, which I'm not giving this to her either. Then we have this blanket. There's also this other blanket and this like kind of pooping. And then obviously we have this she gave us. Oh, sorry. But I think that's it. Yeah. And she's biting her pee pad. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what we have for her real quick. What? We already had for a while. So we already have like poop bags, like retractable leashes, stuff like that. And then we have this whole bag. So we have this bag, which is kind of used. Then we have this unopened bag. And then we have like the two that she got us. And then yeah, for pee pads. And then we have that food and water dish, and then that bed for her. And then we had this toy and a koala toy. Yeah, you wanna play? Oh, go play. Anyways, yeah, that's what we had for her, but thank you guys so much for watching. I think I'll do a different video on her and everything, but you will probably be seeing her in most of the videos and stuff, so yeah.